everybody, and welcome back to another On the Table video, guys. Today, I'm not actually going to be showing you any models, really. I'm going to be talking about tools today, and already I can see my engagement dropping. So this is just going to be a short one, because I got a cool tool for my birthday last year that I've just realised that I've not actually shown you guys, or I might have only shown you very, very briefly. First and foremost, some of the main tool I used to use is this thing here. This is a Tamiya handy drill, and this is, you can tell, this is seen better days. It's got green stuff stuck all over it. It's got bits of blue tack. I changed the batteries in it recently, so it's got a lot of life back in it now. This is a great tool, and the cool thing about this is actually a model kit itself. I've got a link. I'll put a link to this one in the doobly-doo down below. It takes a while to come because they come from Japan, I think, or China or Hong Kong or somewhere, but they are exceptionally good. They're not very fast, as you guys can see, but they do have a lot of torque. They've got a lot of power behind them. They're great for boring out big, thick holes. However, the thing that I'm going to talk about in a second is a two-part thing, because it's the reason what this drill is the reason why I have it, because sometimes you don't need stuff that's really high torque. Sometimes you need stuff that spins really fast. Now, a lot of people use Dremels. Now, I used to use a Dremel, but I personally find that a Dremel is just way too big and chunky. I mean, with some Dremels, it's like you're wrangling like a fucking 14-inch black cock or something. It's fucking grim. You know, you can't really hold it comfortably with one hand, and you know, it's just a horrible, awkward business. So I went out looking for for tools, and I found some skinny ones. I found some like air-powered ones, and I was like, I just can't afford that shit. It's just too expensive. So I came across this. Now this is a cool little cordless rotary tool. This is by Tack Life, and I believe this is Amazon's brand of craft tools. It's a Tack Life cordless rotary tool is what it is, and I'll put a link to the doobly-doo in the description. Now, just for the record, not getting sponsored by Tamiya or Amazon. I wish I was, but I'm not. But anyway, that would make my whole life a hell of a lot easier, but I'm not. But anyway, so this is it. This is the cordless rotary tool. Now, it's a great little tool. As you can see, it's 100% cordless. There is no wires here. It's very light. It probably only weighs a couple of grams. It's got a decent weight to it. It's got a nice grip to it as well. It's a 3-setting rotary tool. So you've basically got slow. Wait for it to slow down. In fact, let me just try and zoom in a little bit. So you've got slow, you can really hear by the noise, and then you've got medium, and then you've got fast. And then the fourth click turns it off. That's all you really need, realistically, to do hobby-related stuff. And it's great. There's no battery, you don't change batteries. It's a lithium battery included. I have charged this thing up once since October, and it has lasted me quite a while. It charges via micro USB in the back there. Doesn't take long to charge up at all. Like I said, the grip is really nice, and because it's quite light, you can use it almost like a pencil or a pen. And you also, if I can remember where I've put the bloody things, so you don't just get the drill. You get the drill, you get a little USB cable with it, and you also get a cool little box of accessories, which are these things here. Now these are great. I mean, I'll run through the stuff that you actually get with it first, and then I'll tell you how much it is. So, in the box, we get a load of little, these are for wood, I think, but you also get these cool little router bits here. Now, these are great if you need to bore out a socket, or you want to, bore a flat piece. You've got your flat end in there. I use this one quite a lot. Just because it's really good to just get in there and just hog out loads and loads of material. For working with things like resin, it's exceptionally good because the resin doesn't melt. Plastic, I have had issues with this spinning too fast and the friction causing it melt the plastic, and you've got to faff about picking it off. But for resin stuff, Very, very good. Although I do stress, please wear a mask if you do use it on resin, because the dust it produces is very, very fine. And you get other things. You get some little sanding discs. Not even say these are discs. Sanding cylinders. As you can see, I've used that quite a bit on a metal miniature. You get these little, I think these are for cleaning stuff. They're like little cotton, like condensed cotton pads on a spindle. You also get another chuck for it as well. If I can get this out here. So the chuck, I'll show you guys. I'll just to disengage to engage your lock, so you can get your chuck out. You basically hold that button down, turn it till it clicks. If you ever use a Dremel, you'll know how to do this. Unscrew that. That will release the actual bit that you're using. Unscrew this all the way, keeping the button held, and then you can access your chuck here. Now the chuck I have on this one versus this one, you can see there's quite a size difference. So you can even put small proper drill bits in this if you wanted to. I tend to find that this chuck is more than adequate for what I need it for. I'm just going to put my drill back in. I like drilling stuff out small with the Tamiya handy drill, and then I'll go in with this just to finish off a bigger hole, because this drill bit is fucking huge when it comes to anything hobby related. I don't know what it is. It's like I think it's like a 3mm bit or something. Yeah, other stuff that you get more. You get loads and loads of these little rotary tools. I highly doubt that the quality on these is particularly decent, I mean, they're not going to be diamond cutters, that's for certain. Oh, here we go. Here's an example of what happens with plastic. So if I use this is great for kind of like scoring holes, and not scoring holes, sorry, like scoring lines and stuff, and doing some little carving. But as you can see here, there's plastic all around the edge of it where it's melted on, and I can't actually get that off, which is a little bit annoying. But you get plenty of spares. You even get this little, let's zoom out again. You even get this little brush thing here, which is quite cool. If you're cleaning up miniatures that have maybe been stripped, so you get loads of these. You get loads of these like grinding cylinders. That's really, really good. So that you get basically this. You get all these little accessory bits in it. You get the actual rotary tool itself. Jesus Christ! It just fucking flew across my desk. That actually startled me a little bit. Anyway, yeah. So for all that, it's basically, I think it's about £21, and it's well worth you having it. It's a great buy. Some of this £21, it's so useful. I mean, you just need. Oh, I need to get in this little bit here. You can just whack it on medium and just drill it out, or sand it down, or get rid of that bit that you didn't want to deburr stuff. It's just great. Like I say, not sponsored. I just thought I'd tell you guys that I got a new tool and I really, really like it. But anyway, guys, that's been this video. It's been a bit of a short one today. Do apologise. But yeah, if anyone would like any of the stuff, the link is in the doobly-doo down below. There's no codes or anything. Like I say, I am not sponsored. Wish I was. But also, whilst you're down there in the doobly-doo, don't forget to check out the Facebook group and the Instagram as well. You can even just open it up in a new tab. Just right-click, open a new tab if you want to, and you can save it for later. And like I say, I'm more active on the Instagram now, so check out there, give us a follow, and I will see you guys on the next video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you now, and goodbye.